Rasan. High setup for Cepada, targeting hands once again. And for the UE fans, would love to see her back for one more year. And as I say that, make that 14 points.
As she said, for her and the rest of this team, their journeys have never been easy. Everyone's spirit was tested, but what matters most is how they faced this season head-on. For this last set, it's exactly that hope that needs to push them to a win. This is our Sunsilk Courtside Report. Try the new Sunsilk with Amino Silk Complex for up to 200% smoother hair. Sway with Sunsilk. Now back to you, Jaime and Panay.
That's a really good report by Vixie Burgos.
But also, it's also important na magkaroon kayo ng magandang teamwork, no? And we kept on mentioning the importance of how to adjust quickly inside the court because, of course, your opponents are still looking for something.
Their story is the perfect example of how no matter the doubts, the losses, they go back again and again and again to fight for another day. And it was an honor to witness that at courtside.
It was an honor watching you grow as well here in the UAAP in your second year. So she's done a great job covering the stories here of the Lady Warriors. Trying to hold on to this 3-point lead to extend this to a set number 4. Cortez, Chuatico, and Chuatico now in double figures as well. So Cortez with the full front line. Hermosura, an option in the back row. Arasan going to Cepada.
It goes inside. Cross-court angle there for Cepada.
She just continues to fight.
Yes.
Pasha left alone. Makes them pay here.
She went for that quick approach.
Arasan sending it to the opposite side. Sent back and sent away by Ateneo. Now within one. Donna De Leon with a one-man block, and we are tied at 10. Cortez to De Leon. Automatic.
Yes, De Leon is unstoppable now in the set number 3.
Season high is 15 points. She already has 13. Pepino, that was checked. Chuatico, Nogueras was right there, but the ball is still in play. Arasan sending it to Pepino.
Good touch.
Chance ball. Pia now to the opposite for Bangayan. Los Santos with the coverage. Pasha denied. Pasha again. Long rally. Pepino looking to end it. But guess what? Not in here. Says Cortez. Here comes Pepino. Good location for Pepino.
Yes.
Pepino. And a 1-point lead for UE. Pasha, the runner. Cepada will be bumping this one to Bangayan. Entering the game for the first time here. One-handed set for Jihan. Won't drop. Pepino. Good coverage there by Cepada. Now it's Bangayan who will put it away. Isang kwentong tatagos sa puso. Abangan simula April 27, 8:45 p.m. sa Todo Max Primetime 5 ng TV5. And Chuatico right away. Now the service line, Zeltson Nashima. Had a couple of great games this season coming off the bench. Pepino is denied. For another kill block. Arasan sending it to Pepino. Cortez right there covering the net. Now they go the other side. Bring it on. Sabi ni Van Bangayan. Reyes with a coverage. KC back to Hermosura. Targeting hands once again.
Pepino serving for UE.
Cortez, 1-2 from Happening Torres, serving and sweeping. De Leon, undiggable there. Donna De Leon now leading Ateneo scoring. Good news for Ateneo, they have a full front line. Good rotation here to take the lead. Cepada will attack.
Too easy for the side of Ateneo.
De Los Santos. Great defense again by Angge Reyes. Arasan with good coverage. Chance ball for the Blue Eagles. Cortez, back set. Tsunashima, not yet there. Balik kay Cepada. And Cepada got the touch. Arasan, her turn to have a full front line, clinging onto this 1-point lead. Good serve. Tsunashima, binalik. Cortez swings it to the other side, and De Los Santos ties it up at 20. Arasan sending it to Bangayan. Cortez will send it to Hermosura. Pia will save it. And De Chavez, good presence of mind. Balik sa UE, Cepada.
Off the block.
Good first pass. Hermosura unpacks.
That is inside.
Much needed
Ana
point for
Hermosura.
Ateneo.
This will be out of system. Bangayan will improvise. De Leon setting up Zel Tsunashima. Put up by Cepada. Pepino.
Off the block. Angel.
Their mission is to try to get back here. They're down by 2. Cortez. Hermosura. Once again, finding an open spot.
Sa mga sharp angles.
Arasan. Bangayan will give UE set point.
Bangayan. But ang ganda naman ng bawi niya dito in set number 3. She's one of the
29 points for Cepada and Bangayan combined. A chance here for a UE. Pepino. Tug by Arroyo. Hermosura off the block.
She said not yet. Good hit from Hermosura.
Sway your way moment of the game brought to you by Sunsilk. Try the new Sunsilk.
Hermosura with getting ready to serve. There you go. Good first ball.
And now the setup will be to Cepada.
Oh,
Easily.
easy.
J-Lo. Arasan. Cortez. Balik kay De Los Santos. And we are tied at 24.
But they weren't able to capitalize on that one because there was a miscommunication on the offense. But a slow response there. So we're tied at 25.
Tied at 25. We have an extension. Cepada back at set point. And a service ace for J-Lo De Los Santos to win this game. Cetaphil, fast serve, gently hydrates and restores skin barrier. Cetaphil for everyone's sensitive skin, the official skincare of UAAP Season 88 Volleyball.